How to edit TikTok caption after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really easy to edit caption after posting, but you need to make sure that the post is not more than 7 days old. You cannot edit the post after 7 days of posting. So if it has not been 7 days, then go to your TikTok app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the post that you want to edit. So you will see three dots on the right side. Tap on it and swipe to the left. Here you'll find edit post. Tap on it. Now here you can add anything to the description and hit done and then hit save. And that's it. Now you have added caption to your post. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.